Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a chocolate tower. As you can see, this is going to be a long video because I am going to show the step-by-step way of making this. So for this I have taken a round thermocol piece. This is about 100 into 50 centimeter. Then I have taken a circular bowl of diameter 13 centimeter. I am going to mark a circle and then using a cardboard cutter we can cut this out. In the same way, cut 5 more circles. So totally you will have 6 circles which you have to stick on top of the other using Fevicol. Then I am using a color paper. I am going to cut this color paper into half and then I am going to stick this along the circumference of the circle. This will give a neat look to our chocolate tower. Making this chocolate tower is a bit time consuming, but the end result is really beautiful. Now I have taken a glitter foam sheet. We can now glue this using Fevibond or any other strong glue. I am using half pearl beads which I am going to stick on top of the glitter foam sheet. Now to decorate the top, I have taken a silver color glitter foam sheet. Then I am drawing a circle and cutting it. Now we can glue this to the top. Now to decorate the top piece, I have taken some paper flowers. Arrange them as shown. You can also use foam flowers here. Now I have taken golden beads and golden wire. Insert the bead through the wire and twist it as shown. In the same way we can make more and arrange them on top. Now I have taken a ready-made bow ribbon. Pull the ribbon to make a bow, tie a knot. Take a small piece of the ribbon and stick as shown to hide the joints. Then stick the bow as shown using double-sided foam tape. You can see how beautiful this is looking. Cut off the extra bits and glue everything in place. So the top part of our tower is now ready. Now to make the bottom two parts, take the thermocol and cut out circles of diameter 18 and 23 centimeter. We have to cut out 6 pieces each. Next we are going to stick the thermocol circles one on top of the other as I showed earlier. And now using the earlier method, we are going to cover it using color paper. The second piece of the cake tower is now ready. In the same way we have to cover the third piece as well. Now take 3 bamboo sticks, cut each into half. Now take one piece, make markings and insert the bamboo sticks as shown. Apply glue and stick the middle piece on top. Gently press to keep it in place. In the same way, stick the topmost piece on top. Now I have taken a cardboard piece. This is a thick cardboard piece which I am going to cover with black color paper. Then I am going to cover this using black glitter foam sheet. I am going to cut out a circle in the middle. Now glue the chocolate tower on top. Next I am making a congratulations stick. For this take a paper, mark as shown and write congratulations on top. You can now cut along the outline. Next take a glitter foam sheet, place this piece on top and then cut along the outline. Now using a permanent marker, write as shown. Now take bamboo sticks and a paper ribbon. Wrap as shown to make a pattern. Now I am making the back piece. Now stick all the pieces together using a strong glue. This is a very easy way of making a cake topper or a chocolate tower topper. Using the same way you can make happy birthday or happy new year toppers as well. We can now stick this on top of our chocolate tower. Now we have come to the final step, and that is attaching the chocolates to the tower. For this I have used a double-sided transparent tape. Stick this to the chocolate tower as shown. And arrange the chocolates. I have used Dairy Milk chocolates here. In the same way, stick chocolates to the middle part as well. Once all the chocolates have been arranged, we can take 2 bow ribbons, pull as shown to make a bow and tie a knot. Then using a double-sided foam tape, stick this to the chocolate tower. And that's it. Our chocolate tower is now ready. You can see how beautiful this looks. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.